Right now, Frank and I are giving away a GoPro Hero 8 Black Series. All you have to do to enter the draw is go to Lamborghini on Instagram, tag 2 people, put us in your story, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it. Hey, welcome to an episode of Lamborghini TV, and today we're at Uncle Jesse's house. We're going over some of his stuff. Those nerds, the Murcielago nerds, are over there talking about fuel. What are you talking about? Fuel?
Important things we're talking about here.
Oh, this the fuel bypass shut off. But let's look at Jesse's parts on the floor. We got his bumper over here. It's a full plastic bumper, and I said it's a full plastic bumper.
No, it's not. Carbon fiber.
No, it's carbon fiber. He's got his stuff laying here, and he found a torsion bar. So this was his torsion bar out of his car. There's a little bit of a problem. He was saying this bar is $3,000. I don't think I'd buy that. But anyways, let's go over to Jesse, see what he did in the last couple weeks. Jesse, what did you do in the last couple weeks?
We polished up the headers, got the clutch on, took the front diff out.
How'd you get the clutch on straight?
Oh, my special tool I made here.
So Jesse bought, what do they call it? Clutch centering tools?
Universal clutch centering tool.
But Jesse doesn't like universal clutch centering tools, so Jesse made his own. And what'd you do? You already torqued the clutch on?
It's like making sweet love.
Yeah.
No, it's not torqued yet. It's just
Wait a minute, Jesse. Here, Frank, you take that.
All right. Come over here, take a look at the engine bay. We're gonna do an LS swap into this thing. You can see Jesse's done all the cleaning in this car. Everything is spotless under here. And he's cleaned up all inside the wheel wells. Super nice and shiny and clean. Look at these calipers. Man, those are nice.
Wait, there's a problem. There is dirt on it. Jesse, what's this? There's a little bit of Coke on it. Look at him. He's looking. All right, so Jesse's gonna take us through some of the work he did in the last couple weeks. There's a differential sitting on the floor, as well as there is some, I don't know, what is up there?
Oh yeah, over here.
Where's that flashlight, Frank?
Yeah, we replaced this hose right here.
What is it?
That is the power steering return hose that blows on all the Murcielagos.
Oh.
Ruptures, and then you're stranded. You're not going anywhere if that lets go.
All right.
So with the diff in, it's very hard to access. With it out, it's simple.
All right, what else did you do?
Yeah, so we pulled out the torque tube.
What's wrong with the torque tube?
Torque tube, well, nothing's wrong with the torque tube, but I wanted to change this bearing on the shaft because it was making some noise. So that's brand new bearing.
That's a new bearing?
Yeah, brand new.
All right, and what about our conversation? We had a conversation today about rear wheel driving Jesse's car. How's the process on that?
I don't think so. The car was engineered to be all-wheel drive,
No.
and I'll be faster
No.
than Frank off the line.
No. So to make this thing a rear-wheel drive car, the diff is already out, like we did with Frank's. If you want, I'm gonna put a link to that video at the end of this video. But anyways, you put, what are they, studs or?
Hold on, cousin. Let's let the audience decide.
What?
For every like we get, if we get up to 150 likes, Jesse will go rear wheel
No.
drive.
We only get 150 people watching these. How about we get 10 likes on this video? Jesse's gonna rear-wheel drive his car. But
10 likes and 10 comments to say Jesse rear wheel drive the car.
is that
And
good?
we'll make it happen.
It's good. All right. So, and then what else you do, Jesse?
Well, we're gonna change the seals in here while this is out because they're sweating just a little bit and it drives me crazy. So
Right.
we're gonna do that.
Sweating, is that leaking? Is that a car term?
Very, very small leak.
Oh,
You know.
I'm surprised we haven't already done that.
Yeah.
Do you have the parts for it yet?
No, I've got another order, another $1,000.
And I noticed this is all shiny.
Yeah, we'll get some polishing on that.
That's Pete's job. Pete, you're doing horrible. And one last thing we'll show you that Jesse's gonna do. You got something in a box over there.
Oh.
Where is this stuff from?
I think I might have the last of these in existence. Ordered these from Germany. I guess these were the suppliers of the Murcielago lenses, so I have 2 of them for the passenger side.
You got 2 for the passenger side?
Yeah.
You need one for the driver's side, just so you know.
I know. They're hard to find, so you get what you can get.
Oh, okay. But all right, so that's the update on Jesse's car right now. We got a little bit of work to do before the engine goes back in. And anyways, Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content and Jesse working on his car. We'll see you on the next one.